on my Facebook page at Angel Lovers page. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make your Nigerian delicious chin at home. You know, as a student, you can actually make your own snacks at home, and even as a family woman, you can actually make snacks for your family. I'm assuring you that after watching my today's recipe, you will never ever think of buying snacks outside again. Never. These are the ingredients we are going to be using for our today's recipe. Our refined wheat flour, baking powder, butter, Amul butter, our powdered milk, our refined vegetable oil, 1 raw egg, then our most important ingredient, which is vanilla extract. I can never forget to add this vanilla flavor in any of my snacks. This flavor is the best for me. I don't joke with vanilla flavor. Our nutmeg, our salt, our sugar, and our liquid milk. So we're gonna start by whisking our egg with our vanilla, just a drop, our liquid milk. If you are using liquid milk, you don't need to add extra water when making the bread. Next, we start by mixing our dried ingredients, which include our refined flour, our powdered milk, nutmeg, sugar, baking powder, and salt. You have to sieve it to avoid lumps or any unwanted particles. Next, I'm going to be adding is our sugar. So I'm going to be using like 3 spoons because our powdered milk already contains sugar. Then our powdered milk, I'm going to be adding 3 spoons. Our nutmeg, just a pinch. You don't need to add much, just a little. Then our salt. Our baking powder, a little. I forgot to tell you guys the quantity of wheat flour that I'm using. I'm using 500 grams of refined wheat flour. Then you have to mix the ingredients. Make sure you mix it properly. Our butter. Make sure you use butter that doesn't contain salt. I'm going to be using half of this for this recipe. Right now I'm going to use my egg our ingredients are properly mixed now, then I will start by adding our milk, mixed milk, egg, and our vanilla extract. Adding the milk till you get the consistency that you want. Perfect. Like I told you earlier, if you are using your alien like me, make sure your hands are clean. You wash them properly. This is how your dough should look exactly after combining and mixing the whole ingredient and also kneading it for like 10 to 12 minutes. It should not be too soft or too hard or sticking. As you can see, mine is moderate, not sticky, not too hard, not too soft, as you can see. So we are going to cover it now and leave it to rise for like about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll come back and continue our chin chin making. You can use your kitchen towel, your foil paper to cover your dough. We are back now after 15 minutes. Let's check our dough. Nice. You can see. We are going to be dividing this dough into smaller pieces. To roll our dough with our rolling pin. Guys, this is our chin chin now. As you can see, we are frying it already. You have to keep stirring it. And also you have to fry this on a medium heat for like about 10 to 15 minutes until it's turned golden brown. Our chin now. We repeat the same process with the remaining chin left. These snacks with any soft drink of your choice. See, so yummy.